Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Quip Toothbrush Electric Set. Before we go on, I want to mention that I did reach out to Quip and they were kind enough to send me this set for me to check out and to share my experience with you. With that being said, as always, everything that I say in this video are my own thoughts and opinions. I'll put a link in the description to the Quip website if you're interested. This set comes with a Quip toothbrush with a travel cover mount, a large tube of toothpaste that will last you 3 months, a smaller tube of toothpaste that will last you for 2 weeks, a booklet, and a quick start guide. The booklet contains very useful information and I highly recommend that you read both the booklet and quick start guide as soon as you receive your Quip toothbrush. The booklet tells you things like how you should brush, when you should brush, how much toothpaste you should use, and other useful information. The main thing I think that sets Quip apart from the rest is its subscription service. You can get new toothbrush heads and toothpaste shipped to you every 3 months, which is when you should usually replace your toothbrush and how much a tube of toothpaste should last you. This is really cool because you won't forget to buy new toothpaste or forget your toothbrush head. Whenever you receive your new head, just replace your old one. Let's talk about the toothbrush itself. The body can either be made out of metal or plastic, and there are many colors to choose from. The one I have here is the silver metal version and it feels great. There's a mild texture to it that gives it some grip, which is great when brushing. It is a vibrating toothbrush and the button to turn it on and off is the logo on the front. There's only one setting, but to be honest, that's all you really need. My absolute favorite feature is the 2-minute timer. It stops vibrating for a little bit every 30 seconds, which is great so that you can focus on brushing in quadrants. Even though this is a vibrating toothbrush, it's about the size of your standard toothbrush. It's very comfortable in my hand when I brush, and the texture on the body really helps me get a good grip while the toothbrush is wet. To remove the toothbrush head, you have to do this kind of motion, which is kind of hard to explain, but I'll put a link to the Quip website in the description where they explain it into further detail. It's actually really simple. After you remove the head, you will find the vibration motor. It's very powerful for its size and it helps a lot when brushing your teeth. I feel like I get a much deeper clean every time I brush compared to a regular toothbrush. When you pull out the vibration motor, you'll find the AAA battery. It should last about as long as your toothbrush head, which is 3 months, which means you should change your battery when you change your toothbrush head as well. On the vibration motor, there are a couple of O-rings to help keep water out. The toothbrush as a whole is waterproof, so you can run water under the sink and even use it in the shower if you want. The bristles are really good. Along with the vibration, I feel like the bristles clean my teeth and massage my gums. You have your standard bristles, and then there are rubber bristles towards the outside. I'd say the bristles are pretty soft, and you don't really need to brush that hard in order to clean your teeth. Every time I use this brush, my mouth feels really fresh and clean. On the back, there is a tongue cleaner or scraper, and it works great. It has the Quip logo, which is pretty subtle. And the only other place where you'll see a logo on the toothbrush is on the front where the button is to activate the vibration feature. Overall, the toothbrush design is really clean and minimal. The accessory you get with the Quip toothbrush is the travel cover and I absolutely love it because I think it's genius. On the back, it has a suction strip that you can use to stick the travel cover to your bathroom mirror. If you get dirt or debris on it, you can use some clear tape to clean the suction strip. When in your home, you can just put your Quip toothbrush on the travel cover so that it can air dry. However, it's called the travel cover because you can use it for travel as well. You can insert your toothbrush bristle side first into the travel case to have more protection. It's a little more secure when it slides in to prevent it from sliding out accidentally. There are little cutouts so it's not airtight, which is good so that no bacteria grows on your toothbrush. The toothpaste is alright. It has everything that a toothpaste should have, like fluoride, but it's as good as any generic brand of toothpaste in my opinion. The toothpaste itself is white and there is a slight hint of mintiness. You get a larger tube of toothpaste that should last you 3 months and a smaller tube of toothpaste that will last you for 2 weeks. The larger tube is for everyday usage and the smaller one is for travel. What I found really cool is that the toothpaste is not tested on animals and is vegan, so you don't have to worry. Overall, I highly recommend that your next toothbrush be a Quip toothbrush. If you always forget to replace your toothbrush every 3 months, the Quip subscription service has got you covered. They can send you a new toothbrush head, toothpaste, and even another battery every 3 months if you want. It's also very convenient and reasonably priced in my opinion. The Quip toothbrush comes in many different colors, has a tongue scraper, and my favorite feature, it has a 2-minute timer. I really love the look of the toothbrush, it's very portable, and you don't need to carry a separate charger like some other vibrating toothbrushes. It also comes with a travel cover that makes it a whole lot easier to store your toothbrush when at home or traveling. As always, I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. That was my review of the Quip Toothbrush Electric Set. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!